Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by defining intent. Pick your destination and whether dates are fixed or flexible. Enter your primary airport and add nearby alternatives. This widens cheap fare opportunities. Select cabin and passenger count so results reflect real availability. Once done, enable price tracking for the route and set email alerts. That captures dips automatically. Make sure to toggle flexible dates to view the calendar and price graph immediately because you want to spot low-price windows before continuing to refine routing and carriers. Now refine. Apply non-stop or one-stop filters, cap maximum duration, and exclude frustrating connection airports. You should use the date grid and price graph to compare outbound and return combinations visually. Those tools reveal hidden low-cost pairings. Once you lock promising dates, switch to multi-city for open-jaw itineraries or to add strategic layovers that lower fares. Make sure to narrow carriers if you want alliance benefits or avoid extra fees, because small filter tweaks change prices. Finish by comparing booking options. Click through to the airline and the listed third-party merchant. Verify total price, baggage rules, and change policies before paying. If a fare looks inconsistent, clear cookies or open an incognito window and rerun the same search. Sometimes the display updates. Once done, confirm your reservation number and set calendar reminders. If alerts fail or a price disappears, recreate the itinerary from scratch and resave the tracker. That usually resolves sync or cache glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.